Sefer Chofetz Chaim. And the big topic is the same, Toeles for the subject benefit. And today's topic, Lashon Hara and the non-observant. Okay, so let's see what are the parameters. Okay, based on the rules that we just studied, the rules of Lashon Hara vis-a-vis that totally non-observant Jew becomes clear. Okay, so what does it mean? Number one, the average non-observant Jew today has deprived of meaningful Jewish education. So here we go, the propaganda. Whether or not he has been exposed to Jewish Orthodox life, society has prevented him from taking Torah seriously. Okay, so maybe, okay, so, I don't think it's Rambam's words. Rambam compares such a person to Tanakh Hanishbo. Okay, should I? Okay, so let's read and then explain how it is. Okay, a kidnapped Jewish child whose kidnappers reared him with non-Torah ideals and whose transgressions are committed out of ignorance. Such a person may be in a category of your people, Amecha, and your fellow. Okay. It is our obligation to educate him with love, care, and sensitivity, and strictly forbidden to speak Lashon Hara against him. So, okay, so basically, if somebody does not know better, so what is your Lashon Hara, like negative speech is going to help him? So everything we do, trying to look for constructive purpose. If whatever you say can bring person close or help him, so that's what you should do. But if just speak bad about him, it's not for constructive purpose, basically. Okay. So number two, a non-observant Jew who did receive a meaningful Jewish education, has been taught Torah values, and knows that what he is doing is wrong, but claim the observance is too difficult, is a rebel to the temptation. The second category. He is considered part of Amecha, your people, which means that Lashon Hara may be spoken of him only if for a constructive purpose. So now he went to yeshiva, he knows Shabbos and stuff like that, but he decided not to keep kosher, not to observe Shabbos. If he does not observe Shabbos, so he's a goy 100%. Again, so if it's for constructive purpose, so you try to give somebody an example, so you can. There is no problem. But just start speaking about him instead of learning Torah. So what is the point? So continuation. However, he is not considered your fellow. So basically, if whatever he does, you can lend him his interest. You're not obligated to return the lost object to him and other things, right? And consequently, the prohibition of nasdvarim, so meaning causing hurt through the spoken words, will not apply in his case. Maybe like you can offend him, but again, what is the point? The bottom line, what is the point? Social pressure may be used to encourage the observance, even if he will suffer embarrassment in the process, provided that all the conditions of the constructive speech are met. Non-constructive speech that is either derogatory or harmful would constitute Lashon Hara. Okay. So in number three, a classic apikoris, heretic, who is knowledgeable but rebels, is considered neither your brother nor part of your people. If there exists such a person today, one may speak about him without any precautions. I'm sure why they say this Menis Friedman is one of the many. I don't know why. Okay, it's first time when we disagree with the book, but it's not Chofetz Chaim, Baruch Hashem. It's translated.